Hi, I'm Jason Patton here at Harley-Davidson of Fort Wayne. I'm one of the senior fit specialists here, and I'm here to talk to you about the new stereo systems for Harley-Davidson. So Harley has signed a contract with Rockford Fosgate, and we do have the speakers in a couple applications. We got 4 speakers on this Limited with an amp inside the saddlebag, and also we have the Rockford Fosgate speakers on this Road Glide Special here. So you can choose between Street Glides, Limiteds, and the Road Glides to have these speakers installed. Also, the amp is located in here. It's about the same size of the Boom Stage 2 audio amplifiers, but with this system, it's a lot louder and you get a lot more clear, crispier sound out of these speakers than previous Boom Stage 2 audio.
WGFX HD Channel 3 New Haven and W245.
And this is just radio stations. When you have your phone Bluetooth to it, you know, using Spotify, Pandora, you're going to get a lot better sound quality out of it as well. And that's about halfway turned up. And this is just the 2 speakers right here.
It's like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.
So with this system now too, you get the better acoustics. You have the tweeters inside of here, and then you get a lot more of that punchier bass sound that people are looking for in their motorcycle applications as well. And then I'll turn on this one so you can hear how the 4 speakers sound.
If you feel like that's what you want to do, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth, because I'm happy. Clap along if you know.
So if you want more information about these Rockford Fosgate speakers, please get a hold of our service department or take a look at the brand new CVOs. They actually come with the Rockford Fosgate speakers with an